Welcome back. Now you will need to determine whether you need to add a GDPR consent banner for your European customers. So you'll want to read the information within Shopify as well as outside of Shopify to determine if this is something that is going to be in your best interest to do for your business. Assuming that it is, we're going to click Start Setup. Now by default, the privacy banner is going to be hidden. What you'll notice here is that we're going to need to enable tracking of customers from Europe. We're then going to view our online store preferences. And we're going to enable this code. We're then going to click Save. We're then going to go back to our setup. We're now going to come back to the customer privacy applications. We're going to click Start Setup. We're now going to show the privacy banner on our online store. You're going to want to add your privacy policy. Once you do that, you can then click Save. You can then view your privacy banner on your online store, and you will see your privacy banner. We'll now need to come back to the app section. We'll need to visit customer privacy. We'll now need to start the setup for California. Now there are two things that you'll need to do. You'll need to add an opt-out page, and you'll need to add a menu link. We're going to click to add the opt-out page. And so we have the first element for the CCPA settings. We're also now going to add in a navigation menu link. Once we've done that, we can then click Activate. And our California privacy settings are now active. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.